Hello everyone. So today we have question of categorical data or qualitative data with measures of central tendency. So in this case, uh, Kenneth Forbes is a manager at the University of Lord's campus bookstore. There has been a recent surge in the sale of women t-shirts and sweatshirts and which are available in three sizes: small, medium and large. Kenneth notes that the campus bookstore sold 16 sweatshirts over the weekend in the following sizes. So these are the sizes: small, small, large, small and something. And we need to comment on the data set and use the appropriate measure of central location that best reflect the typical size of sweatshirt. So in this case, first we need to analyze data. And there are three categories. First size wise three categories. First is small size, second is medium, and third is large. So as per counting 1 2 3, small size is 7 times, and this medium is 5 times, and this large is 4 times. So if we draw this data in tabular form like size and frequency, so size and frequency, so first size is small, then medium, then large, and the frequency for small is 7, frequency for medium is 5, frequency for large is 4, right? So in this situation, you have frequency in number form or numerical form, you have only frequency. So in that situation, you can't find arithmetic mean because arithmetic mean need x, but in this data we don't have x. So as we don't have x but we don't have frequency, so this data is considered as qualitative data, or we can say categorical data. So first data identification, and this data is qualitative data, or we can say this data is categorical data, not a numerical data. If we have x, then we will have this data like numerical data or quantitative data. So when we have qualitative data or categorical data, then the mode is very important point. And as per definition of mode, mode is the highest frequency location. So in this data set, we have frequency 7 for small size. This is the maximum frequency. So we can say the mode is best measure of central tendency for this kind of qualitative or categorical data. Now in interpretation or conclusion, we will write the mode of data is small, and because it occurs most frequently, because this small size maximum number of time, that's why we are saying this is mode. And therefore the typical sweatshirt size sold over the weekend is small. So when the word is typical or typical measure of central tendency, so typical means best measure of central tendency for this data. So for this data, best measure of central tendency is only mode, because there is no existence of x. And the third point, this suggests that the customer tend to prefer smaller sizes, and the bookstore might consider stocking more of the size to meet the demand. This means the storekeeper should maintain more stock for this size, for this standard size, or we can say small size, because this is the modal value, or as per this qualitative data, this is the modal value, this is the most frequently demanding sweatshirts. So I hope you understand this question. So please like this video and subscribe my channel Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.